Hey subscribers, and welcome back to Prismavisuals. Today we're diving into the spooky side of animation with Reconn 4D. We're going to create a chilling horror animation video. First things first, let's clear the stage. Delete that initial cube and add plan. This will add some atmosphere later on. Now, the star of our show, the zombie model. Import it into the scene. We'll animate its walk cycle. Get those legs moving. Once the walk is looking good, hide the zombie for now. We'll bring it back at the perfect moment. Next, import your horror room environment. This is where the magic happens. Now, let's talk lighting. A dark, creepy room needs the right ambiance. We'll start with a red light, but honestly, it just doesn't cut it. It's too cheerful. So we're switching gears. Let's change that point light to a spotlight. Much better. To make the lighting dynamic, we'll parent the spotlight to the camera. This way, the light moves with our view. Now for the camera animation. We'll create a slow, suspenseful pan. Maybe a slight zoom to build the tension. Think about what you want your audience to see and how you want them to feel. With the animation in place, let's head over to the render settings. Here's where we fine-tune the look of our final video. Adjust the quality, resolution, and any other settings that are important to you. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, render time. This might take a little while, so grab a snack or a drink while Reconn 4D works its magic. And here it is, the final result. So, what do you think? Pretty spooky, right? Let me know in the comments below what you created. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more animation tutorials right here on Prismavisuals.